Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 30th of June 2021, last trading day and week of the month of June, and we are halfway done with 2021, which is crazy. All right, not much of a huge change here. The yearly point of control is up at 37,327. We're trading below that. The 50% Fibonacci level of this swing is holding as a pretty good support zone. But now we see this hidden bearish divergence continuing to play out here. So again, for those of you unfamiliar with what hidden bearish divergence is, looking at the composite index, look at the peak that my mouse cursor is over. That is higher than the current high over here. And we compare it to the candlesticks during that same time period. So the candlestick down here, up there, is lower than what we have going on down here. And so that is an example of hidden. It's like an example of I know English. That's an example of hidden bearish divergence. Now, at the same time, the RSI is printing a pattern that we looked at the other day. This possible regular head and shoulders pattern, right as it's coming up to test the 50 level, which is the first support level in a bull market, and it's been rejected against it so far on the day. We'll have to see if that continues. Now let's take a look at the monthly chart. And on the monthly chart, it's a little different. So I'll just hide the drawings here. On the monthly chart, we remain above the yearly Kijun-sen. We've traded below it at multiple times. Did I say yearly? Oh, that's the 3-week chart. Sorry, I want to look at the monthly. Yeah, the monthly chart, we're trading in between the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen. So we've been trading pretty much, that's where the body's at. We've traded above the Tenkan-sen and below the Kijun-sen multiple times throughout the months of June and May. Are we going to close below that level? No idea. What I do know is that the current chart, though, Ichimoku-wise on the monthly, is still very bullish. And using the lagging span as the kind of near-term determinator of whether or not we remain bullish, as long as it's above the candlesticks, we remain bullish. So that means, though, that Bitcoin could drop. And when I mean above the candles, I mean above the bodies. As long as the close is above the bodies, that means that Bitcoin could theoretically, between, let's see, it's June right now, June. Let's get into July, August, September, October, November, December. It could trade as low as 9,350 and still be extremely bullish on the monthly chart. How likely is that? I don't know. I would say that that's not outside the realm of possibilities, because ever since we've broken up above the monthly chart's cloud, we have not tested it. Which that in itself doesn't really mean a lot. It's just odd that we haven't tested it. So the top of the cloud is at, let's Senko span B, 9,983. That'd be a pretty big drop. But hey, it certainly could get there. I mean, don't discount it. Yeah, just keep an eye on that. I think I'm going to end it right there, because I want to see what happens at the end of the day here, and certainly going into the month of July. It'll be very interesting to see what happens with the price action, especially as we get closer to the close, because it's not going to take much to push Bitcoin into a close that is below the monthly Kijun-sen. Yeah, well, so watch out for that. Anyways, that does it for me. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.